it's a rock, but it's a piece of coral.
No, 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 no.
We're on the plane! We're on the plane! We're on the bus! It's super exciting!
Yeah. One step
And there's
closer.
movies everywhere! Well, there's screens. We're going on the boat!
Here we go.
We are on the
Right now you're on the ship. You saw how you were there? Now this is your ship right.
Wait, am I on it yet?
Yes!
I'm on the ship.
Right
Me too!
We're on the ship. Hi.
Kirk was my favorite.
Nice.
Welcome to the Fantasy. Please welcome aboard the Black family.
We said we would say hi to Minnie Mouse later on. It'll probably be a day or so. Okay. Yeah? Why do you want to see a whale? Because you do? How big do you think they are? How big do you think a whale is?
How big?
Yeah, how big? How big does Nicole think it is? Is it bigger than Nicole or smaller than Nicole?
Pelicans!
Where are they?
Down there.
Big dancing with them?
And do you know what? Who I saw?
You saw Princess Tiana. Did she give you some of her beignets?
Who else did you see?
Have to ask. Who else did you see?
Whoa! Watch out for that. That's a wall. Who else did you? Yeah, who did you say hi to and give a hug to?
Minnie Mouse.
Yeah.
Oh my goodness. Do you like reading story books about Minnie Mouse? She's very, very nice.
Do you know I have that book at home?
Story books at home? Do you like reading story books? I love reading story books.
Minnie Mouse can't talk. So elevator to 3, walk down the stairs to 2?
Yes.
Okay, cool.
I have no idea.
Yes.
I am following
What do you think? Now that you know the ship better than anybody.
Well, sure. So,
What do you
let's go.
think? Nicole, how was dinner? Yeah? What did you have?
Did you have a little hamburger?
Hey, Dad, look at
Yeah.
How was your dinner?
Mine was very good.
Awesome.
Some pork medallions, I think is what they called it. And it was served over collard greens. So we're actually good. Very good with it.
Cool.
And yeah.
What'd you have for dinner? And was it good?
I had what?
Prime rib.
Prime rib, and it was really good.
And you tried the ski scallops.
Yeah, I'm not a fan of it.
Yeah.
I had the same as Danielle.
Prime rib?
Yeah, and I know he made this. It's so cool. And
Was it good?
yes, it was very good.
Nicole wants you to take a picture of her.
I don't want to mess it up or anything.
Thank you.
Careful with my kid, right? Straight. You got this. Now, right. Okay, now, all right, come straight. Now, put the hand up.
Oh yeah!
Today is day 3, Disney Fantasy Cruise. The girls are at the club, Oceaneering Club, and we're gonna go to a couple shows. Tomorrow is going to be on an island. I don't know if it's St. Thomas or I think it's Tortola, something like that. Anyways, we're having a blast. Probably go hit the pools and check out all the cool stuff that's on the ship. So, day 3, day at sea.
Watching Aladdin. Well, we're about to watch Aladdin. It's they're gonna act it out.
A musical.
Yep.
Yep. Very cool.
Yep. We're super excited.
Our ship just arrived at about 7 o'clock this morning to Tortola Island, and we are going to go check out Cane Garden Beach. So let's go see what it looks like. Apparently we go up and over the hills, over the mountain, and it's supposed to be quite beautiful. So we're at Tortola. This is day 4. Is this right? Day 4? Day 4 on the Disney cruise.
Is that a goat?
Hi.
Hey, Ashley. You okay?
She's fine.
Face plant? Well, it's a rock, but it's a piece of coral.
No! Well, it's kind of...
Look.
Oh, cool.
Like a real live version of the Indiana Jones ride.
It's awesome. I love it.
I'm so happy for you. You have an evil laugh.
What? What is that? Here, Natalie.
Say, I am being a ham.
I have been home.
I had a blast.
No.
A lot of fun. Did you have a good time?
Yeah.
I think you girls could use some ice cream.
Yes.
Okay. We're done.
That was Tortola. What else are we saying?
Cane something.
Oh yes, we went over to Cane Garden Bay, over a mountain, on a road, well,
Scary road.
to call it a street or a road is questionable. It's a path that cars travel on.
It goes up and then goes
And-
down.
There were times that I just couldn't watch, so I just kept my eyes closed.
Yes, you did.
I did because I didn't want to freak out my kids, that I was freaking out, that it was scary.
It was not that. It wasn't that bad. It wasn't that bad.
On that really bad, the worst turn, I
When
looked
they
it
honked the
down
horns?
when they honked the horns when we were coming back. There was a part where I looked ahead. I was in the middle of the bus, and I looked ahead, and the pavement that I knew that we were going to immediately be on next was about 15 feet below the left front tire.
Oh, straight down.
Yeah,
It was fine.
I didn't like that part.
It was fine. It was no big deal.
Uh-huh. You didn't lose your GoPro. I was proud of you for that.
Oh, of course not.
Thought for sure it was going to get smashed and we
No.
were going to be like, we got to go back for his GoPro.
No, it was fine. So, Tortola Island, Cane
Garden
Garden
Bay.
Bay. We had a good time.
Cane Garden Bay was really good.
Kids had fun at the beach. We jumped in the waves, and it was a lot of fun.
The only thing that I did not like was the sand getting in my suit.
Well, Danielle likes the beach, but she doesn't like sand. So we're trying to figure out how to get around that.
Well, Mommy forgot to pack the talcum powder, which
Talcum powder?
removes sand very easily. You put a little bit of talcum powder
You
on.
don't need
takes
talcum
the sand
powder.
straight off.
You don't need talcum powder.
Yes.
Water is fine.
It's a girl trick. We like that.
I have nothing to say about that.
Tortola. It was
Tortola.
great.
So check it out. Oh, where's Nicole? Where's Nicole? Where'd she go?
No.
Where's Nicole?